All this leads to how popular your profile is on LinkedIn, how often people are finding you. So who here would like a networking agent work for them 24/7, 7 days a week, and throughout the whole year? I'm assuming everyone. Yeah. Excellent. Fantastic. Let me just plug myself in and I'll show you what I mean exactly. So we all have access to something called LinkedIn, right? LinkedIn, the professional Facebook, if you like. Something that's going to give us everything we need in order to advertise our services. Right? 2 seconds. And how do we present ourselves on the LinkedIn? Well, in my opinion, we start with the good profile picture. It's the professional picture someone taken by someone who knows what they're doing, preferably Ray, who's not present here today. But that's the good thing to have someone like that, because this is Ray's work. He helped me to get my picture right, so this looks professional, in my opinion, and how will I execute it. The next important things on our LinkedIn profile is our headline. This is the headline that describes what you do and how you can help the others. It's also important to be able to, for the person visiting your profile, it's extremely important for them to be able to quickly decipher what you do, how you can help them, what can you do for them. Within a sentence or two, you can easily and quickly describe your services, how you can help the potential visitors. It needs to be professional, it needs to be concise, it needs to be easy to read. The next important element on your LinkedIn profile is your contact details, how people can get in touch with you easily. If you don't have the correct contact details, impossible to find you, impossible to get in touch with you. I started with my LinkedIn link that leads to my profile. You know you can modify this, right? It doesn't have to be a random set of characters and numbers. It could be your name, it could be the name of your company. It's something that's easily recognizable, something that leads to your profile. Obviously, your phone number, your website, and your email. Extremely important if you'd like people to be able to get in touch with you. Another important element of your LinkedIn profile is about this section describes in a bit more details what you do, how you can help the other people who visit your profile, what services they can expect from you, what benefits. What's important in this section is the call to action. We give people opportunity to get in touch. We give people a way for them to reach to us and to request our services. A couple of sentences to describe your services, a couple of sentences to tell them who you are, what you did, what your experience is, and obviously get them in touch with you. This is your elevator pitch. This is something that tells them what you do. Okay? So far, easy, right? Another important element of your LinkedIn profile is the services you offer. How people can request services is by looking for any of these on LinkedIn in the search button on the top. When people look for services, this is where LinkedIn is going to find the services you're offering. This is how people can find what you exactly do, how you can help them. So it's extremely important to have it all done right. Service offering, this is what people can find you. This is what people can request from you. And all this leads to how popular your profile is on LinkedIn, how often people are finding you. In my case, 475 people looked at my profile. I haven't had to do much, maybe 10 minutes every day or so, to get my profile up to date, to get my profile to tell what I wanted to tell. And 475 people found it without me leaving the home, without me spending any more time on it than it's necessary. 475 possibilities to do business with. In order to keep your LinkedIn profile relevant, in order to keep your LinkedIn profile on the top of the news feed, you have to be active on LinkedIn. You have to comment, you have to like, and preferably, if you can, do a post, ideally once a week. Say to LinkedIn, what do you do, how you can help people. Describe the problems you resolved to your customer. Help them find you. That leads to people reading what you are on about. That shows people what problem you solve for the others. And that makes your profile relevant. That makes your profile coming up in the newsfeed. Again, 418 impressions of my services and how I helped the other people solve their problems they had. Absolutely no cost at all. It takes 10 minutes a day, if any, and helps you reach hundreds of thousands of people looking to do business with you. Absolutely no cost to it. 10 minutes a day, that's all it takes. And all this leads to one and very important thing at the end of the day. Once you connect to other people, once you make the connections on LinkedIn, you can always ask, have you visited BNI? There is 30-odd businesses in here that you can do business with. With your profile set right, you have a great chance of making the connections and also a great chance on inviting people to visit our chapter to help you out and to help the others out, and hopefully to create the referrals. Thank you.